Make a great choice today with the 2015 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, security system, compass, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.